coming up. That'll be on the 14th of this month, October, and that'll be at Anthony's Ocean View. And the chair is Glenn Archer. Glenn, how did you organize all this? Talk about some of the sponsors, some of the participants. It's a big list.
Well, the Employer Recognition Dinner will recognize 70 companies and organizations that ACES has worked with over the last year that have provided work and training opportunities to over 300 students and adults with disabilities in the various programs. The event recognizes these wonderful community partners, but also provides an opportunity for some of our past graduates and students to speak about their work experience and the tremendous impact the work has had on their lives. We're very thrilled about this year's special guest, who happens to be an ACES alumni, and he will be speaking as well as performing Blessing Offor. Many of your listening audience may remember he was a singer-songwriter finalist from NBC's The Voice back in fall of 2014, and he will be making an appearance, so we're very thrilled to have him. In addition, obviously, Brian from Inner Workings and Deborah from L'Oreal will be speaking, and the theme for this year's dinner is Teamwork Makes the Dream Work.
That's great. And, you know, you had a lot of response.
Yeah, well, we're thrilled. We're hoping to top past years. You know, we've also invited some of our elected officials to maybe come and learn about the ACES program and realize the impact it has on the community. You know, so we're hoping that we can get some public officials.
Now, you've done the mining of who's coming in terms of the business committee. We should also mention we have a special alumni speaker who's going to be there, too. And, Doc, you have information on that. Blessing Offor, right here. He's going to be performing right there from NBC's The Voice just a year ago, 2 years ago?
Yes.
A year ago, last year.
And then most recently, he came to our ACES Gala last spring. And
yes.
Last Thursday in March, we have a gala. And he's a great guy. He's living in New York. He's been a ACES student at ECA, Educational Student Center for the Arts in New Haven. And he's really wonderful, and it's great to have him back at our dinner this month.
Yeah, well, that's special. Now, we're going to go back to Brian Hughes and Deborah Swart, who are going to be delivering the keynote speeches and talking about it. And, Deborah, I'm going to start with you, actually, in this case. You mentioned over 150. It was 152? Was that the number you came up with?
Yes, we've increased our beneficiaries by 152 since the ACES dinner last year.
It's been a tough time, I think we'd all agree, since the 2008 economic collapse to create jobs anywhere. I don't care where you are, what business. The small businesses get hit hard. We hear it here at the Chamber. We know that even some of the government structures may not be very sympathetic to small business. 152 positions is remarkable, but to what do you attribute that? I mean, we talked about workplace morale, enthusiasm, and how ACES cooperation, in this case with business and the ACES organization, has instilled that sort of sense of purpose.
It's a sense of purpose. It's a sense of helping others, and it's really about us partnering with great companies like Inner Workings to help people in need become integrated into the workforce. And without true partnerships and without believing together that we can make a better place for all, it can't be achieved. So it's really the partnerships we have with our suppliers and our partners that help inspire and innovate to bring in people into the workforce.
So, Brian, and someone in ACES, and Gene Crocker or somebody will talk with you and try to organize maybe opening up a few positions and finding those positions. What happens the first day or two somebody arrives?
They go through training with our warehouse manager, who's Dale Schweitzer, and he takes them through training with the ACES employees come in with a supervisor on site as well. They come into our building with a supervisor. They go through training, and instantly they're integrated. You mentioned teamwork and as being, you know, for the program, the teamwork's going to be the theme. It's complete teamwork between our full-time employees and the ACES employees that come in. They go through training, and then they're right on the front line working. They just finished a project for us. They reworked for Deborah's team. They reworked 750,000 Garnier paquettes, and they did it all for like 6 months. They did the whole project. It was awesome, and they had so much pride in making that happen and reaching that goal.
And supervisors grow. They do a better job. I mean, they learn a little bit better how to supervise the staff.
Absolutely. It's a full rounded program. It's great. And we work exclusively with ACES. We don't bring anybody else in. It's so strong.
So there any other businesses out there that want to join and provide students with opportunities or clients with opportunities to work in your organization, what you would do is contact Gene Crocco, Work Services Coordinator at ACES. His telephone number is 203-281-3577. That's 203-281-3577. Or you could reach him at gcrocco, GCROCCO @aces.org for more information on how the ACES work programs can help your business.
And of course, when Gene actually has a conversation, there are questions that are asked. So it's not just a matter of sign up, but you actually have a detailed list of questions.
Sure, and he's got a wealth of knowledge and understanding of how it works after working with it for several decades, and he'd be happy to help.
Okay, well, this whole month we've been sponsored here on the Friday Marketplace of the ACES organization, and God bless everybody who's involved. We want to give out the website's real easy. It's aces.org. You can learn more about this dinner and also about other activities, too. You can, again, call Gene Crocco, too, at 203-281-3577. He and Evelyn do a great job behind the scenes here at ACES. And come out to the dinner if you can. I mean, I think registration deadline's today, the ACES Business Advisory Council. Their 16th Annual Employer Recognition Dinner will be out at Anthony's Ocean View. I'll be there. I love this night. It is October 14th, cocktail hour at 5:30, buffet right after that. Anthony's Food and Eggplant Parm. How can you go wrong? Our keynote speakers will be Brian Hughes, General Manager of Inner Workings. Brian, thanks for being with us. God bless you.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
Deborah Sorg, Vice President Retail Promotional Purchasing from L'Oreal. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Ray.
Look forward to hearing from you there. And, of course, who has chaired this event coming up. He's done a great job. Glenn Archer. Glenn is with Connect. Thank you, Glenn. Good to see you.
Thank you, Ray.
And the Executive Director, too.